If you plan to take a trip to a country that has an unknown language, this gadget will be very helpful when you communicate with the natives. This is the Gadget Boleo Translator. First, to turn on the portable translator, you must turn on the button of the right. Then, say what you want to translate into the microphone, and you will hear the translator text in the language of your choice. On the other hand, if you want to translate into your language what the foreigner says, you just have to bring the translator closer and reproduce what the person says. If you want to increase or decrease the volume, press the A and B buttons. Finally, to recharge the gadget, you just have to connect it to your laptop via USB cable. The charge will last up to 2 days.